Here's your typical Unreal Engine workflow. You're playing your game and something is not quite right. So you stop the game, make a change, and then play your game again to make sure it's all good. It may only take 10 seconds each time, but you'll do this tens of thousands of times whilst making your game. That adds up to hours of your life. There's a better way, and it only takes 2 buttons. So I'm in this Unreal Engine horror project, and I'm just going to play my game in the standard selected viewport. And there's this spotlight right here, and I think I want to make this cast a red light. Right now it's just white and it looks a bit plain. The old way I would have done this is I would have stopped my game and then found the light on my level, selected it, and then changed this color to red, and then I would have to play my game again and see if that looked good. Instead, a quicker way to make that change is I can press F8. That will eject me from the game that I'm currently playing. I can then just select this light and let me make the color red. I'll go OK. I can even move its position. And I can just press K on my keyboard and that will save it. So even if I close my project, the light's going to be here. But I can also just press F8 again and go back in my game, and I can see how the light would be in my game in real time. And then if say I stop playing my game, because I pressed K when I made the changes to my light, it's actually saved that in my game. Of course, if you don't want to permanently save it, don't press K, but still pressing F8 and moving something can help you quickly see how things will look when you slightly change them in your level. If you want to learn even more about Unreal Engine, I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor and I have a complete free beginner course that will teach you all of the basics. There's a link in the description of the video and pinned comment if you want to check those out. And if this saved you time, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.